Good evening, I'm Jacqueline Bennett in the KRON 4 Weather Center with an update on your forecast. Fog is continuing to be less of a factor in our forecast. As we head through this evening, it'll be slower to push in overnight. We're still going to see some dense fog close to the coastline, but it's going to scale back quickly. At 7 o'clock in the morning, it will already be pushing back to the coast. By noon, we're going to see sun breaks along the coastline at the 3 o'clock hour. Temperatures just a little bit warmer than what we saw out there today. A look at fog tracker for tomorrow morning. The fog not making it quite as far inland. At 6 o'clock in the morning, already scaling back. Our inland valleys are clear. The Delta seeing some patchy fog. Down in the South Bay starting to clear out as well. Through the morning commute, the fog will continue to peel back to the coast. At 9 o'clock, just hovering over the peninsula and the coastline. And then later on in the morning, peeling back off the coast, the San Mateo coastline seeing some sun breaks as early as 11. A look at our temperatures for tomorrow. They'll continue to warm, especially around the Bay Shores, which were mostly in the 60s today. Tomorrow going to be in the 70s, 70 in Oakland, 75 in Hayward, 78 in Fremont. Temperatures along the coast into the 60s. Our inland spots staying in the upper 80s. Down in the South Bay also seeing a few 80s mixed in. Let's take a look at our KRON 4 7-day around the Bay forecast. Things are going to continue to stay on the mild side through the weekend. That fog will really only be relegated to the coastline, so sunny and mild elsewhere around the Bay in the 70s, inland spots in the 80s. But as we move into next week, the fog will return, and so will the cooler temperatures. That's going to do it for your update for now. From the KRON 4 Weather Center, I'm Jacqueline Bennett.